So first we'll take a circle. I'll press shift and drag so that I'll get a perfect circle. I'll place it in center exactly, vertical and horizontally. I'll draw a rectangle. The rectangle should cover at least the half bottom of the circle, and I'll place it exactly in the middle. So which this top surface should be exactly in the center. So how you can do, just you can drag, you can see this line coming here, just keep it here, select both, come to format, merge shape and subtract. Copy this circle and paste it, rotate it by 90 degrees, press shift and drag, you will get perfect rotation. Place it exactly here, select both, shape outline and give no outline. Select the bottom half circle and drag it somewhere here. Now color, we'll select both and press Ctrl G to group them and go to shape fill, choose eyedropper and give the second color. Now press Ctrl D to make a duplicate and place it exactly, or since you cannot see the difference of this, go to shape fill, eyedropper and give the third color. Now you place it again here, press Ctrl and shift and drag it inside, so you'll get option like this. Repeat the process again for another 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. So I quickly jump here. Take another circle, press shift, again drag so that you get a perfect circle. Align it, right click, send to back and just reduce the dimension a bit. Good. Select this, shape outline, no outline, select this color, go to shape fill, eyedropper and select the first one.